Hi guys, how's everyone doing? This is Pete. Today I would like to introduce you my new custom gaming PC. This powerful rig is built in an incredible looking Corsair iCUE 220T RGB airflow gaming case, and this case originally came with 3 Corsair RGB case fans, but I modified it with 3 GM RGB case fans instead. And towards the back I have the exhaust fan, which is the Corsair SP120. And a little bit more about this gaming system is that it consists of a Ryzen 7 3700X with 3.6 GHz, and it can easily boost to 4.4 GHz in the BIOS settings. And of course this processor is cooling by the DeepCool GameX GTE V2 air cooler, and also comes with an RGB fan. And on the side I have 4 sticks of DDR4 RAMs, and it's equivalent to 32 gigs with 3000 megahertz. And the system is controlled by the MSI Tomahawk B350 motherboard. So finally I completed this build with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070 Founders Edition. This high-end build is considered a beast, and you will have a very fun experience with online gaming and PC games, as well as excellent VR experience with this gaming system. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below.